set the days. Man of the hour, the mountain that stands, built this life with your two hands. A hero's heart, a lion's roar. Your love will echo evermore. Through the ashes, through the pain, you never faltered, stayed the same. Showed the grit, the blood, the fight. A father's love, the endless light. I see your eyes when I look back now. The lines of years, the furrow